you're doing good. So, after so many days, we are back with another video based on the topic Kaumar Bridya. And the first unit is Introduction, Scope, Definitions, and Terminologies of Kaumar Bridya. Introduction of Kaumar Bridya. In ancient times, Ayurveda was studied and practiced as a subject in total. However, Ayurveda is commonly divided into 8 branches, which are known as Ashtanga Ayurveda. Ashtanga here is 8. The branches in Ashtanga Ayurveda are Kaya Chikitsa, which means general medicine, Balatantra or Bala Chikitsa or Kaumar Bridya, that is pediatrics, Graha Vijnana, that is demonology, Shalakya, that is medicine pertaining to supraclavicular region, Shalya Tantra surgery, Dhantra Tantra toxicology, Jara Vijnana rejuvenation therapy, and the last one is Vrisha Vijnana aphrodisiacs and andrology. The definitions and terminologies are Shishu. Child takes excessive sleep and hence it is called Shishu. Balaka. Balam Sanchalani. In whom power or strength is increasing day by day, such individuals can be called Balaka. Kumara. Kridayam iti Kaumaraha. During the period, the child will spend most of its time playing and hence it is called Kumara. Bhritya. Bhru Bharane Dhatuhu. Bhritya means to nourish or to support. Kaumar Bhritya. The science which deals with the care, support, and nourishment of children is called Kaumar Bhritya. Kaumare Bhrityam Nama Kumara Bharana Dhatri Kshira Dosha Samshodhanartham
दुष्टस्तन्यग्रह समुत्थानं च व्याधीनाम उपशमनार्थम.
Kaumar Bhritya is the name of branch which focuses on Kumara Bharana, means bringing up or supporting or looking after the child. Dhatri Kshira Dosha Samshodhana means purification of breast milk of the mother. Dustasthanya Samuthana Vyadhi Upashamana, alleviation of diseases caused by vitiated breast milk. Graha Samuthana Vyadhi Upashamana means alleviation of diseases caused by Graha dosha. Kumara Bharana. Kumara means child and Bharana means supporting or nourishing. Kumara Bharana is the support of the caretakers towards a child. A child should be born and brought unimpaired circumstances including social, biological, economical, political, mental and physical factors which are all included under Kumara Bharana. Dhatri Kshira Dosha Samshodhana. Dhatri Kshira Dosha Samshodhana is the process of purifying the breast milk of the mother to maintain a good quality of the same to provide healthy nourishment for the child. A child is supposed to be excessively dependent on stanya during the first 6 months after delivery for their nutritional needs and proper development. Grahadosha or Grahabadha. Graha means pathological microorganisms or ghosts or demons. Grahadosha are invisible causative agents of diseases. Often it is compared with infection diseases which are acute, have a fast progression and fatal outcome. As the immunity of a child is weak, they are prone to be affected more commonly by Grahadosha. Therefore, Kaumar Bhritya deals with prevention as well as treatment of such diseases in children. Pediatrics. The word pediatrics is derived from the following Greek words: Pais means child, iatros means doctor or a healer. Pediatrics is the branch of medical science which is concerned with the health of infants, children, and adolescents along with the management of the diseases encountered in the period of growth and development. Gestational age, the number of weeks or months which have been completed from the first day of last normal menstrual period until the date of delivery. Preterm, any newborn whose birth occurs by the end of 37th week of the gestational period. Term, any newborn whose birth occurs from the beginning of the first day of the 38th week up to the last day of 42nd week of the gestational period. And post term is any newborn whose birth occurs after 42nd week, that is from first day of 43rd week of the gestational period. Live birth, delivery of a baby which shows the signs of life irrespective of gestational age. Birth weight, the weight of the newborn measured immediately after delivery or as soon as possible. It is usually expressed in grams or kilograms. Appropriate for gestational age. An infant with a birth weight between the 10th and 90th percentiles for that particular gestational age. Those infants who lie below 10th percentile are considered as small for gestational age, whereas those who fall above 90th percentile are considered as large for gestational age. Perinatal death, death of the baby from 28th week of gestational age of the fetus and before 7th completed day after delivery. Neonatal death, death of a live-born baby before completion of 28 days of age. Infant death, death of a live-born baby before completion of 1 year of age. And the transition period is the instability during the first 6 to 8 hours after birth. Scope of Kaumar Bhritya. Kaumar Bhrityam Nama Kumara Bharana Dhatri Kshiradosha Samshodhanartham
दुष्टस्तन्यग्रह समुत्थानं च व्याधीनाम उपशमनार्थं.
The role of a physician involved in child health care starts right after conception and continues during the antenatal, natal, and postnatal period till adulthood. Providing care to the puerperal woman is also the responsibility of a pediatrician, as the care of an infant cannot be fulfilled without the care of the feeding mother. The aim of this branch is better development of children who are tomorrow's future. A healthy and brilliant child is a national wealth. Importance of Kaumar Bhritya. According to Acharya Kashyapa, Kaumar Bhritya is the most important branch among Ashtanga Ayurveda because a child needs to be born and brought healthy to be able to attain the four Purushartha, which are Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. By following the Ayurvedic principles described in Kaumar Bhritya, a child can have proper physical and mental health and development and therefore can become a healthy individual with a strong base to achieve Purushartha. Thank you everyone. So what we have learned in this lesson is basic things which we need to apply in our life during the pregnancy of the mother till she gives birth, and the nourishment should be continued even after the birth of the child so that both the mother and child both will be healthy. We need to take care of the diet, exercises, and the checkups which need to be done in a time to time basis, and also provide with them with care and good environment. So that's all for today guys. Thank you, and if you understood the topic, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So this is Dr. Aisha signing out. Thank you guys. Bye bye. And take care of yourself and your family.